Garnier Nutrice Ultra Cream Nourishing Hair Color. And it's permanent too. It comes in a variety of different colors, and this is a 2-pack. Love that. And let me open so you can see what exactly comes inside it. You're going to receive this bottle, which has developer in it. And it's very simple to use. You're going to twist it off and also take off this cap. And it's also going to be an applicator too. Then you're also going to open this up and pierce it. And this is going to be the color cream that you're going to be putting inside this developer. You're also going to be cutting this open, which has 5 essential oils inside it. It really nourishes your hair. And you're also going to be putting that in the developer as well. And you're also going to be receiving instructions. And when you open this up, you are also going to find some gloves. And this is what the gloves look like, perfect for when you're applying your hair color. Now, depending on what your hair color needs are, if you need to dye all your hair or just the roots, then for all your hair, you're going to leave it on for 30 minutes. And if you're just going to apply it to the roots, you're going to leave that on for 25 minutes after it develops, and then you're going to put it for the last 5 minutes throughout your hair. And that way it blends it together. Now, what I'm going to use it for is just for my roots. And I've been using this time and time again, and I absolutely love it. Very easy formula to work with. And another nice bonus that they give you is this conditioner, which you use periodically after you color your hair. And very simple to use.
Let's get started. I always wear a towel over my clothes to protect them. And of course, don't forget the gloves. Be sure to twist off the top of the applicator first. Now I'm going to take the Nourishing Color Cream and add it to the cream developer. Then I'm going to add the Fruit Oil Concentrate C. Then I'm going to replace the applicator tip on the developer bottle, making sure to keep my finger over the tip. Cover the tip with my finger and shake super well. I'm starting with dry, detangled, unwashed hair. I'm beginning the application at the top of my head, fully saturating my hairline and temples. Once the top of my head is completely saturated, I work the color through the lengths and ends. I want to be able to feel the mixture saturate my hair all the way through. Once your hair is fully saturated, leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your grays and hair texture. I only have a few grays right now, so I'm setting my timer for 25 minutes. After the time is up, it's time to start rinsing. Let the water run through your hair until it comes out totally clear. Once you've rinsed, apply the Nourishing Conditioner D and leave it on for 2 minutes before rinsing out. This conditioner is rich with avocado, olive, and shea oils, so it feels great. Once everything is fully rinsed, I'm ready to towel dry and style my brand new colored hair. And that's it. It's really that easy. I get rich, radiant, long-lasting color that really shines, and up to 100% gray coverage. My hair feels silky and nourished, all thanks to Nutrice. I love my new color and silky shine. I'm feeling confident and ready to show off my new look. In 4 to 6 weeks, when it's time to recolor my roots, I'll follow the touch-up application section of the instruction sheet.